In this video, we're going to try and understand where this formula comes from. So to understand where it comes from, we need to know the double angle formula. So search up on the internet, type in double angle formula, and this should pop up. So make use of this, and I need you to know this. We've already seen this. So to understand this, we're going to make use of this. So what this is saying is cos one angle plus another angle. So for example, if you have a right angle triangle, this angle here is A, the first angle, the other one is B. But to understand this, I'm going to make the two angles to be the same. So I'm saying these two angles are the same. I'm going to call this X, and this angle also X. So when you have cos X plus X, it would be cos 2X. So cos 2X equals cos the first angle, remember the first angle is X, and this is also X. So cos the first angle, which is X, and then cos the second angle, which is also X, minus sine the first angle, which is X, and then times the second angle, which is also X. So now cos times cos, that would be cos squared, minus sine times sine, that would be sine squared, and then here you've got cos 2x. It's just me carrying this down. So to understand where sine squared comes from, you eliminate the cos. To understand where the cos comes from, you eliminate the sine. So you see what I mean later. Hang on. We are trying to understand where sine squared comes from. So I'm going to eliminate the cos squared. I'm going to make use of this. So from here, this formula, take away sine squared from both sides. That will then give us this. Take away sine squared. Okay, so cos squared equals this thing here. So I can put this thing here into cos squared. So that will then give us this block here. 1 minus sine squared x, and then you've got your minus, and then you've got your sine squared. I don't really need the brackets, so let me erase the brackets. So now you've got minus sine squared, so that would be minus 1 minus 2 sine squared. So that would be 1 minus 2 sine squared x. And then here I'm just going to leave this as it is. So we want to understand sine squared, so make sine squared the subject. So your eyes should zoom into the into this block here. It's a minus, so at the moment it's a minus, so add 2 sine squared to both sides. So I'm just going to carry this down, and then add 2 sine squared x equals 1. So we want to get sine squared on its own, so take away cos 2x. So take away cos 2x, that will then give us this. So now you need to kill off that 2, so divide both sides by 2. So that's where the formula comes from. Okay, similar technique, but when you're here, to understand cos, you eliminate the sine squared. Well, we now understand where this formula comes from. Okay.